Koutou e te whānau. What on earth is that sound? It's the Toy Time trumpet, my favourite sound in the whole wide world.
What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Spin it, spin it, spin it all around. 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. When you're up to toy time. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time!
Oh, kia ora. It's nice to see you again. What a lovely day. I'm going to have a lovely picnic in the lovely sunshine.
Oh, greetings. I'm Ricky Alien.
Greetings, I'm Maya Alien.
Oh, ko Jojo aho, no mai haere mai, and welcome to Papatuanuku, planet Earth. Earth? Aye. I was going to have a kai. Would you like to join me?
Ooh.
Nau mai ngā hua e hora nei I whakatipua e whakatipuarangi, haumi e hui e tai ki e. Anei.
Water. We do not have water on our planet.
Oh, there's plenty on Earth. Over half of the world is covered in water.
Water is very refreshing.
And Kai is very delicious. Oh, what in the world is that? Is it a colourful flapping spaceship?
No, it's a butterfly, one of the many animals that live on planet Earth.
And what is that big hot circle in the sky?
Oh, that's Ara, our sun. It helps keeps us warm, helps plants and animals grow, and gives us light. Oh.
Back home on planet Riki Maya, we have 3 suns.
I miss planet Ricky Maya.
We got lost coming home from a birthday party on Pluto.
Oh, I can help you find your way home. I'm very good at directions.
Oh, thank you, Jojo the Earthling.
Earth sure is a great planet.
It sure is.
Mountains so high, ocean so deep, forest so green, volcano so steep. This is the song where we learn about home, about planet Earth and the way that it flows. Mountains way up high, we climb them and reach the sky. The source of life. Hinne moana, te puna wai ora. Mountains so high, ocean so deep, forest so green, volcano so steep. This is the song where we learn about home, about planet Earth and the way that it flows. Forest so tall and green, home to all the birds and trees. Volcanoes get really hot with lava and molten rocks. Mountains so high, ocean so deep, forest so green, volcano so steep. This is the song where we learn about home, about planet Earth and the way that it flows. Mountains so high, ocean so deep, forest so green, volcano volcano so steep. This is the song where we learn about home, about planet Earth and the way that it flows.
What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Buzz time! Remix! Oh! Kia ora, Jojo! What's up?
It's funny you should say that, Buzz, because I'm making something designed to go up into the sky. I'm making a satellite.
Whoa! What's a satellite?
They're machines that you launch into space and they orbit or go around the Earth.
Oh! I live on the Earth! Go around me! Cool.
Some satellites help us make phone calls all over the world, and others take pictures of our planet. Smile. Click. Some satellites take pictures of other planets, the sun, or other objects in space. Click. Those pictures help scientists learn more about our solar system. I hope this satellite takes pictures that will help my new friends find their way home to planet Riki Maya. One more, Buzz? Click. That was a good one.
Yeah. Oh, love my eyes.
I'm so excited to launch my satellite. Once it's up in space, it'll take photos and we can see them on this.
Ooh.
What does planet Riki Maya look like so I know what to look for?
Oh, it's blue.
With red rings around it.
Good to know. Will you help me count down from 3?
3,
2.
1.
Kiterangi, blast off! Oh, I can see all the planets in our solar system. Mercury, Venus. Oh, and look, it's Papatūānuku. Oh, the third planet from the sun. Now it's sending us pictures of Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn.
Ooh, do you have any friends who live on Saturn?
No, Earth is the only planet we know of that has life. We're the only planet with water to drink and air to breathe. Titiro! There's Uranus and Neptune. And wait, now I see a blue planet with red rings.
Yay! Would you like to come home with us, Jojo?
Aw, thanks, but I love living on Earth. I like swimming in the sea, doing manus at the lake, and kayaking down the awa. I can't imagine living anywhere else.
Aw, that sounds fun, Jojo. Maybe we could stay on Papatūānuku a little longer.
Ooh, excellent idea, Ricky Alien.
Thanks, Maya.
Oh, kia ora, my cousins. It's me, Buzz. I'm just thinking about some of the amazing creatures that we have here on planet Earth. I've been thinking about giraffes, I've been thinking about tuatara, axolotls, and donkeys. I want a donkey. Hey, I've got an idea. Why don't we go and investigate some of the weirdest and wonderfulest creatures we have here on planet Earth? I know the perfect place as well. Whai mai aho. Woo! Te whare pupuri Tonga, the museum. Come on, my cousins. Check it out! This place is amazing! Let's go and see heaps of amazing creatures from our planet! Hoake! Oh, what is that? Whoa! What is that? He aha tēnā. Ooh. Is that a leopard? Ooh, Pumbaa. This whare has so many beautiful tonga in it. Check out this tonga from the bottom of the moana. It makes a sound when I put my voice into it.
Kia ora, Pasakasi, back at it again on another amazing adventure.
Oh, look, these straws have heaps of tonga in them. Let's check them out. Tarantulas. I love tarantulas. Whoa! enormous. Look, that one's got little hairs all over it. That one's the biggest one. What does that eat? Goliath bird-eater tarantula. It eats birds. It's almost as big as my hand. Wow, you're super strong. These are some of the most beautiful punga were were I've ever seen in my life. I should call you huge were were. You've done it again, Buzz. Let's go. Whoa, ngā tamariki o Tangaroa. Check out all the creatures of our moana. I see a mako. Let's go. Kia ora. Check out how ginormous this mako is. Do you know that they're the fastest sharks in the world and they can jump up to 20 feet high? I want to be a mako. Whoa, check out these little chicks and their mum. That reminds me of me and my brother John Boy. Check this out, my cuzzies. Can you guess where this comes from? That's right, a honu. I want to be a honu. Beautiful, ne? Come on. Oh! I found you here, Mara. We've seen so many beautiful creatures today from our planet, and we've got to remember to look after them too, my cuzzies. I want to be a cuzzy kaitiaki. Ka kite anō, my cuzzies. Mokonui, dinosaurs.
Hey, kia ora, tamariki mā. I'm Auntie Anika. Oh, I'm quite tired. I've been planting flowers in my garden all day. I love watching them grow. Oh, every day they get bigger and bigger. I wonder, if the earth helps flowers to grow, what will it do for me? Oh, the ground feels nice and warm from the sun. Oh, I can smell my flowers and I can see sunlight through the leaves of the trees above me. I can hear birds singing. Tweet, 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 tweet. Kia ora. Look, a little baby caterpillar is inching along a branch. Yay! Kia ora, little baby anuhi. I hope you have a lovely day. This is very relaxing. I love being in nature. Papa Tuanuku helps things to grow, and by connecting with her, I feel more energised and more grounded. Probably because I've had my feet in the ground. Papa Tuanuku is taking care of me, and now I think I'll take care of her. I'm going to get some water and water my flowers. Psst, psst. Inohora.
Hey, Oma, what's your favourite thing about planet Earth?
Oh, I love the soft green grass. And I also love the smell of it in the morning and the feel of it between my toes.
I love the air. Breathing in and out makes me feel nice and calm.
But grass is so fun to run on.
But the air is so nice to run through.
I know. How about we get the best of both worlds?
Oh, both worlds.
Yeah, let's jump. That way our feet land on the grass, which I love.
And we'll also be up in the air, which I love.
Yeah.
Woohoo! Great idea, Oma.
Thanks, Wolfie.
Where are you, Ricky?
You're getting warmer, Buzz. Yeah, warmer. Colder, colder. Freezing, freezing.
Where'd you go?
Warmer. Hotter, hotter. Boiling. Ah! You found me, eh? What?
I'm so glad I did, because guess what? It's Takaro time! It's Takaro time! And this game is called Four Corners. I'm in the middle and everyone else stands on a corner. Good work, Etefano. Then I close my eyes and I count to 4. And you can choose to stay on your corner or quietly move to another one. Then keeping my eyes closed, I point to a corner and whoever's in the corner is out and has to kneel down. Everyone else is safe. Got it?
Got it.
Oh, Maya.
What happens if you point to a corner and no one's there?
Good question. Then everyone who's sitting down is back in the game. Ready?
Yep.
Let's play. Tahi. Rua. Toru. Fa. I'm gonna go with this corner. Oh, I got you, Maya. All right, here we go again. Tahi. Rua. Toru. Fa. I'm gonna choose that corner. Oh, I got you, Ricky. All right, one more and I win. Good luck, Jojo.
Good luck, Buzz.
Go. Yeah, all right. Tahi. Roa. Toru. Fa. Oh, where'd you go, Jojo? Where'd you go? I'm gonna choose that corner.
Does that mean that we're all back in?
Yay! Do you want to play again?
Yeah.
Okay, you go in the middle this time, Maya.
Yes.
Little buggy, buggy on the tree. Flutter, flutter, flutter your wings. You can fly up to the sky. Nature is a beautiful thing. Come on, come on, come on, come on. It's really good. Every living creature in the forest. Nature is cool. Nature is cool. Snaky, snaky slithering all around. Hissing, hissing, hissing at me. I wonder how you were made. Nature is a beautiful thing. Come on, come on, come on, come on. It's really good. Every living creature in the forest. Nature is cool. Nature is cool. Nature is cool. Nature is cool.
I love nature.
I love going to the beach. I've been learning how to swim. My godmama Deb is helping me. I really love swimming. I wear my swimming cap and goggles. I love doing underwater somersaults. With my goggles, I can see underwater. Look at the seaweed. I try to swim like a fish. When the water is deep, I can float on my back. I can do dog paddle too. I kick with my legs and I paddle with my arms. I love boogie boarding too. To all in the warm sand. It feels nice, really nice. I love swimming at the beach.
Bye!
Kia ora, and welcome to Toy Time News. I'm your roving reporter, Jojo. And today I'm talking to some nice aliens who are visiting planet Earth for the very first time. What do you think of our planet?
Oh, I love the water. I've been swimming in the sea, doing manus in the lake, and kayaking down the awa.
And have you been looking after Papatuanuku while you're here?
Yes, we've been recycling, walking rather than using our flying saucers, and planting trees to keep Papatuanuku clean and green.
That's great news, and that's all from me, ka kite anō.
Hey Jojo, where shall we go? 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 Oh, 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 I can't wait to go traveling. Oh, 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 over land, over sea. Oh, 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 I can't wait to go traveling. There is so much we can see. We could go to another island. We could get there by plane or boat. When we get there, we'll send a postcard to our friends that are back at home. Oh, 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 I can't wait to go traveling. Oh, 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 over land, over sea. Oh, 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 I can't wait to go traveling. There is so much we can see. Hey Jojo, where shall we go? 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 We could visit another city. We could play on a different beach. We could travel out to the country. See some animals, what a treat. Oh, 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 I can't wait to go traveling. Oh, 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 over land, over sea. Oh, 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 I can't wait to go traveling. There is so much we can see. Hey Jojo, where shall we go? Oh, 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 I can't wait to go traveling. Oh, 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 over land, over sea. Oh, 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 I can't wait to go traveling. There is so much we can see. Hey Jojo, where shall we go? Hey Jojo, where shall we go? Hey Jojo, where shall we go? Hey Jojo, where shall we go?
Kia ora. I'm trying to find Aotearoa New Zealand on this globe. There we are. Hey, Mōhio. I'm curious, if I dug and dug and dug, how long would it take for me to reach the other side of the world?
Kia ora, Riki. Our aorangi is made up of lots of different layers. There's soil on the ground, then mud and rock. And the closer you get to the centre of the Earth, the hotter it gets. It would be too hot for you, Riki.
Oh, so I guess I can't dig to the other side of the Earth. How else could I get there?
You can travel there by boat or plane.
Oh, thanks, Mōhio. I really dig learning about the Earth.
You're welcome, Riki.
Where else could I go?
Planet Earth was a lovely place to visit. Oh, what's the matter, Ricky Alien?
I wish we could stay a little longer.
Oh, yay!
Yay!
Yes. How about one more swim before we blast off?
Yay!
My dad drives diggers.
Ready?
He takes my little brother Bodie on the digger. Bodie loves the digger. The digger has lots of different parts. There is the trap, and there is the bucket that does the scooping.
Good to go?
There's lots of earth to move today. Archie, the dog, likes to go too.
Good job, guys.
Our dad's on the digger, I go on my quad bike. I love my quad bike. Bye.
Hello, I'm Frank, and welcome to Storytime. This is a story about Lunar New Year evening. On a splendid night in Wellington, Jean and Joy celebrated Lunar New Year with their family at a Chinese restaurant. On the table were many dishes, each symbolising the well wishes for the year ahead. Jean's favourite was a delicious fish, served whole from head to tail, symbolising the wish for plenty of food all year round. Joy's favourite was the long noodles, which she could slurp and slurp, representing a wish for a long and happy life. Jaden loved to eat dumplings, little parcels that looked like lumps of gold, and a wish for money and riches. But their delicious dinner was interrupted with the sound of drums pounding and cymbals crashing. The Chinese lion dance had arrived. Rushing out of their seats, the children gaped in awe at the beautiful head of the lion puppet, with its fierce eyes, long lashes and flapping mouth. They could see two dancers inside the lion costume, making the creature look like it had 4 legs. The lion beckoned the family outside, where they could see the clear night sky. Dad pointed out the slim crescent moon amongst the stars. "Look, it's a new moon," he said, "and that's how we know it's the beginning of a Lunar New Year." Suddenly, there were big, colourful flashes, and glittering sparks lit up the night sky. The fireworks had started. The family had a wonderful celebration, welcoming in the new year with plenty of luck, health, and happiness. The end.
Hi, Edita, we've got to go. We've had a good time, we'll see you tomorrow. Ka kite anō, we'll see you again. We all hope you had a good day. A kani kai and a really good play. Ka kite anō, we'll see you again. Tō wha soi wha. Kakite anō, we'll see you again. Woo! Bye bye. Have a good day, everybody.